Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down SteamOS versus Bazzite so you can figure out which one is the better fit for your gaming setup. So here's a simple way to look at it. SteamOS is the official console-style system built by Valve. Bazzite, on the other hand, is the community-driven, supercharged version of that idea. More flexible, more updated, and way more hardware-friendly. And let's start with SteamOS. Now, SteamOS is designed for one thing: gaming first, especially on the Steam Deck or hardware that's known to work perfectly with it. You get that clean gaming mode interface, everything is optimized out of the box, and you don't have to worry about kernels, drivers, or tweaking anything. You literally turn the device on and play. It's stable, polished, and gives you that pure console like experience. Now, let's talk about Bazzite. Bazzite is what people choose when they want the SteamOS experience, but without the limitations. Because it's based on Fedora and gets updated more often, it supports newer GPUs, newer handles, and cutting edge drivers much faster than SteamOS. If you're using something like the ROG Ally, Legion Go, MSI Claw, or pretty much any PC handheld that isn't a Steam Deck, Bazzite instantly becomes the better option. It's also way more flexible. You can switch desktop environments, install extra apps, use it like a full desktop system, and tweak performance at a deeper level. It's perfect for people who love customization. So, which one should you actually pick? Well, if you want a smooth hands-off console-like setup on officially supported hardware, SteamOS is perfect for you. No tinkering, no troubleshooting, it just works. But if you want more control, wider hardware compatibility, newer drivers, and a gaming OS that also works like a real desktop, Bazzite is going to feel way better. Both are great, the choice really depends on the experience you're looking for. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.